If you need to resize multiple images at once, Photoshop has a built-in tool that can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of opening every image one by one and exporting them manually, you can batch resize an entire folder of photos in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, using Photoshop's image processor. This is a super useful method if you're organizing photos for a website, preparing product images, compressing images for upload, or just trying to keep everything at the same size. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, before you even open Photoshop, gather all the images you want to resize and place them into one folder on your computer. For example, you can name it Original Photos. Keeping everything in one folder makes the process much easier and helps Photoshop find the files quickly. Then create a second empty folder right beside it and name that one Resized Photos. This is where your new resized images will be saved when the process is finished. Setting up these folders first will keep everything organized and prevent you from accidentally overwriting the original files. Now open Photoshop. Once it launches, go to the top menu bar and click File, then Scripts, and then choose Image Processor. This opens Photoshop's batch processing window, which is built specifically for handling multiple images at the same time. If you've never used it before, don't worry. The layout is simple, and I'll walk you through each setting so you know exactly what to choose. In the Image Processor window, you'll see 4 main steps. Start with the first one, where you select the images to process. Click Select Folder, then choose the folder that contains your original images. In this example, that would be Original Photos. Photoshop will pull every supported image from that folder and prepare them for batch processing. Next, move to the second step, which is selecting where to save the processed images. Click Select Folder again, and this time choose your empty Resized Photos folder. This is important because it keeps the output separate from your originals, so you can compare the files later and make sure everything exported correctly. Now go to the File Type section. For most users, the easiest option is to check Save as JPEG. JPEG is ideal for resized images because it gives you a good balance of quality and file size. After that, choose your quality setting. A value between 10 and 12 is usually the best choice if you want high-quality results without making the files too large. If you're resizing images for the web, this is usually a very safe setting. Then check the box that says Resize to Fit. This is the key step that makes the whole process work. Once enabled, Photoshop will automatically scale each image down so it fits within the dimensions you set. In the width and height boxes, enter your target size. For example, if you want your images to fit within a 1920 by 1080 boundary, type 1920 in the width box and 1080 in the height box. Photoshop will preserve the original aspect ratio, so your images won't stretch, warp, or become distorted. That means landscape, portrait, and square images will all be resized intelligently to fit inside the boundary you set. If you see the Preferences section, you can usually leave it blank unless you specifically want to run an action or add a copyright notice. For most basic batch resize tasks, you do not need to change anything there. The default setup is fine. Once everything is set up correctly, take one last look at your folders and your resize values. Make sure the input folder is correct, make sure the output folder is empty and ready, and make sure your dimensions are exactly what you want. When everything looks good, click Run in the top right corner of the window. Photoshop will now go through every image in the folder and resize them automatically. Depending on how many files you have, this may only take a few moments. When it's finished, open your Resized Photos folder and check the results. You should see all your images resized to the new maximum dimensions, with the same proportions preserved. That's the power of Image Processor. It turns what could be a long manual job into a quick and repeatable workflow. And that's it. You now know how to resize multiple images at once in Photoshop using a simple built-in automation tool. This method is fast, efficient, and perfect for batch editing large groups of photos. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.